Hi Voyagers, how you doing? We are ready to run our Voyager Lego car races this afternoon. You guys did a marvelous job making all of the cars. We have a total of 28 cars that you put together here that we're going to race down the track. Once again, thank you so much for taking the time to build these. You did a great job. Let me explain to you exactly how we're going to run the races. Our track has 3 tracks on it, so we're going to run 3 cars at a time, and then we're going to take the winner from each one of the heats, and then the winners will run against the winners until we finally have a first, second, and third place. So, I want to show you the cars first and tell you whose car it is. Our first car here is Noah Apple's. Next one is Kylie Schmidt's. Third one is Jasmine Bailey's. In the second heat, we have Owen Whitman's, Braden Schramm's, and this is Grant Altman's. Then in the third heat, this one did not have a name on it.
It's Keaton's. It's right there on the front.
Okay, there it is in front. Keaton Bradford's. Yep. Then we have Caden Casper's, and then we have Max Summerfield's. In our fourth heat, we have Brandon Bergdorf, Ailey Dregemiller, and Benjamin Apple. In our next heat, we have Jacob Ray and Elijah Keck, and then a no-named entry. In our next heat, Caitlin Grange, Ethan Ray, and the Taylor boys, Nicholas and Logan, they collaborated on that one. Then the next heat is Benjamin Shanehoff, Trenton Grange, and again, no name. Our next heat, this one is Connor Ray's. Then we have Benjamin Kex and Everett Corns. In our final heats, we have Gabriel Bailey and Lane Gersh and Kelton Schultz. And last but not least, who gets a bye, is JC Kessler. So those are our 28 entries. Okay, this is heat 1, Noah Apple, Kylie Schmidt, and Jasmine Bailey. To your mark, set, go. This is heat 2. This is Owens and Brady's and Grant's. To your mark, set, go.
1.
Okay, this is heat 3. We have Keaton's, Caden's, and Max's. To your mark, set, go. Okay, this is heat 4. We have Brandon, Ayla, and Benjamin Apple. To your mark, set, go.
Well, let's determine the winner here. I think the winner is whoever this first car is right here.
Brandon.
That would be Brandon.
Okay, this is heat number 5. We have Jacob, Elijah, and Jagger. Your mark, set, go.
Well, that one.
Okay, this is heat number 6. We have Caitlin, Ethan, and the Logan boys, Nicholas and Taylor. Your mark, set, go.
Well, I'm gonna go with that guy.
I see. Okay, this is heat 7, and something special about heat 7. We said that we were going to award a most creative. The most creative car is Trenton Grange's. His actually has lights on it. So in heat 7, we have Benjamin Shanehoff, Trenton Grange, and And then this one is our no-name car. To your mark. Set, go. Okay, this is our next heat. We have Connor, Benjamin Keck, and Everett. To your mark. Set, go.
Go with that guy right there.
Okay, for our next heat, we have Gabriel, Lane, and Kelton. To your mark, set, go.
Ooh, this guy right here. Oh.
And then our final contestant running in a heat by herself is JC Kessler. To your mark, set, go. All right, we are ready to begin our quarterfinals. And our first quarterfinalists, Grant Oltman and Kylie Schmidt and Keaton Bradford. To your mark, set, go. Okay, our next quarterfinal heat is between Brandon, JC, and Elijah. To your mark, set, go.
I'm gonna go with that guy right there.
And I think our winner was Elijah. Okay, and then our third quarterfinal is between Gabriel and the Mystery Rider. To your mark, set, go. And the Mystery Rider is our winner. And the last of our quarterfinal races is between Caitlin Grange and Benjamin Keck. To your mark, set, go.
It's gonna be this guy right here.
And Benjamin Keck is our winner.
As it's going backwards.
All right, we are ready for our semifinal. Our first semifinal is between Kylie Schmidt and Elijah Keck. And our second semifinal will be the mystery vehicle and Benjamin Keck. Okay, and our first semifinal between Kylie Schmidt and Elijah Keck. Your mark, set, go.
Oh, I'm gonna go with this white car.
Keck vehicle won in a very close race. A photo finish showed the winner of our first semifinal is Kylie Schmidt. All right, this is our third place race between our Mystery Rider and Elijah Keck. To your mark. Set. Go. And the Keckmobile, Elijah Keck, is our third place winner. And now, the finals. For first place, in the middle lane is Benjamin Keck. In the outside lane, Kylie Schmidt. To your mark, set, go. And it's the Keckmobile. Great job, Voyagers. You all did a marvelous job with the construction of your vehicles, and we had a lot of fun racing them today. Now I'd like to show you our winners. Our third place vehicle is Elijah Keck. Coming up to the winner's platform, if he doesn't destroy his car. There we go, Elijah, congratulations. Our second place winner in the beautiful orange and white vehicle is Kylie Schmidt, driving up to the second place platform. And then our champion for this year's Voyager Lego car races is Benjamin Keck. Let's hear it for all of our winners. Yay!
We're experiencing a little bit of technical difficulties.
Hey,
This fell apart, but we have no idea how to put it back on.
Right.
Ah!
Are you videoing this?
I am videoing it.
Why?
Oh,
Leah's trying to fix it.
We are once again experiencing some technical
we're gonna need
difficulties
something
because
pretty
my mom
heavy,
tripped
though.
on it.
Getting ready for heat number 7. Heat number 7. As we have a little bit of an intermission getting ready for the quarterfinals, I thought I would show everybody what's going on in our gym. We have air conditioning, and there's the man right there. Air conditioning, and it's been painted. A lot of work has been going on during all of this. There's my helpers. And there's Brayden.
great job,